So I wanted to buy some new tires for this event. Back in the day, you could find 15s and 16s all day long. Nowadays, not so much. The Kindas that I wanted to run, while they do come in 15 and 16, they're only available in treadwear of 130 at those sizes. You have to go at least 17 to get, the 300 treadwear. Now, if you don't know treadwear, the lower the number, the softer and grippier the tire is. 130 is really soft and really grippy. 300 is, more normal. And I only have 15 and 16 inch tires. I only have one car that runs 17s, and they're 4x100, so I'm not gonna toss those in the 240. So because of that, I'm running these. Another used pair from the garage, Michelin's, which are just about as bad to run as Goodyears. The problem I have now is that if I'm gonna run 17s, do I want to stay 4-lug and rock some small wheels when I'm not sliding, or do I want to step up to 5-lug so I have a lot more options as far as wheels go? That's the problem. I already have a set of Q45 brakes ready for the 240. If I go 5-lug, it'd be a lot easier. I don't have to redraw those. Also with small wheels, well, I already have another car that's perfect for small wheels. So yeah, anyway, let's go get these mounted and let's take small wheels car. Little Will's car, aka Freakin' Wagon, aka Little Big Butt. Yeah. Anyway, lots of fun. This car is kind of loud, so sorry if you can't hear me that well. Tires loaded up. It's an 81 Corolla wagon with a drivetrain out of Tacoma, so it's got 2RZ, big old truck motor. RSX seats, and the interior is kind of a mess aside from the back seat. I do have a lot of plans for this car. I bought it back when I lived in LA, and also because I bought it out in California, it doesn't really have any rust, which is awesome. The suspension is very moaty, it rolls, but we're going to fix that. And I have most of the parts that I need to fix that. We're going to mount tires, have to go to the store and buy a few things because it is an overnight event. Then we'll be heading off to Piedmont. Ooh, this thing is loud. Solid motor mounts. This is what we're using. Sorry, I'm trying to hurry, so I'm not going to film the whole process. Alright. Tires on the rim. You see the bead. Seeing the bead's the fun part. Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but this thing actually works alright. Only with wheels you don't care about, because, yeah, it's not very... It's kind of harsh. And it's done. Alright. Let's go drifting. Alright, I didn't forget to film an intro this time. This whole thing just started. And I've got my nerds robed, so I'm happy. It's another 2-day event with camping and me being blinded by the sun and cars. So it's gonna be fun, again, as usual. I'm going to not drive today. I'm gonna drive tomorrow. Yeah, I already told you about tires. Yeah, let's just, I don't know, let's just get to it. I don't know what to say. Let's just eat some nerds rope and go. What's up? It is currently 9:27 in the morning on day 2. And instead of being at the track, I'm heading back to Winston because the extra battery for my video camera, the one that I'm currently recording on, is in Winston and I at the track. What's up? Alright, I know you got itchies. Yeah, you can't scratch there. Alright, so, bag. Get to the van, hit the road. And get to the track just in time for your girlfriend to surprise you with food. Me, that is. Hooray! And coffee. We're gonna eat. Alright, so at the comp I killed the batteries in this, even the spare one that went to Winston to get, so we're gonna hop in this thing and do some runs.
Finally!
Yeah. Last time she rode with me, the car caught on fire twice. And she carried a fire extinguisher, so...
Do we have the fire extinguisher?
We have a fire extinguisher.
Okay.
So let's go do that. And it's like, what time is it? 4:50. So we've got like not even an hour left. We'll see how this does. I have really crappy tires as usual, but I already explained all that before. So, any last words?
I just don't want to die.
No guarantees.
Don't understeer.
Oh.
That's what I've been telling him.
Thank you, Carla.
Anytime.
It is currently 4:58.
I mean, are you warmed up?
Oh no. It runs!
Don't hit the car!
Don't hit that car.
Oh, you can hit all the other ones?
Not that car.
Oh,
that
that's
car
the really
is
pretty one you like.
That's Drake's. That's the, you don't call it pretty. Tires.
You're out of tires?
I still have the good years. Wait. Yeah, they're gone. We're out of tires.
Use the rest of the parts for works.
Yeah, let's see if I can follow them real quick. What's up?
How fast are you at changing tires?
We'll find out. Alright, once again, it is 5:02. I have the Goodyears. The Goodyears aren't going to last in the boss track, so we're going to go out there. But the thing, okay, so the reason that happened is the tires are still really hot from coming off of here. And I ate
So you
them.
have to like take breaks between
I
tracks.
have to let them cool down a little bit, or else you just burn through them, and that's what I did. So
You were too excited.
yeah, I was a little too excited. Oh no! Hey, we're changing tires down here. Alright, it's because we're in a rush. If we weren't in a rush, I'd be able to get to my tires. Alright, we're gonna kill these Goodyears. These Goodyears are dying today. Right now.
Hit out the boss course real quick. I'm sure Devers would go for a slide.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'm blinded by the sun. I can't see. I want to show you why you guys shouldn't run Michelins this time. You guys know the whole tire story, but this is why you don't run Michelins. So this is one of them. They don't just wear out, they chunk to pieces. Let's focus, okay. They chunk to pieces. They don't just, wear nice and evenly. And between two tires, they chunk to pieces very differently. So this whole line is gone. Part of it's my fault. Part of it's my fault. I did this track and then I went to the boss track immediately and didn't let them cool down, but still, this is kind of what they do. This is consistent for Michelins. Drive them on the streets are good, but don't drift on them. So because those died so quickly, I threw the Goodyears on to kill them. But they're still alive. I cannot kill these. Although I only did one run out there, but I was trying really hard to kill them, and I can't. So Goodyears live on, Michelins are dead. We got Dorito gang going by. But yeah, Goodyears live to see another day. And my girlfriend finally got to ride again in the car. Did you have fun?
I did. But I broke your car.
You didn't break the car. She
I added character.
yeah, she added this to it. Look at that gap. She added that. Luckily it's all good. Oh, one thing that I was showing you, when this chunked to pieces, when that tire chunked to pieces, I got kind of lucky with my GoPro here. Because the tire was on this side and it chunked, and there's tire marks all the way up here. So I had chunks of tire flying up here, and at that radius, really close to the GoPro. That would have been not fun. What's up? We're back from the drifting event now. Actually at my girlfriend's place now. That's why it actually looks nice. 240 ran awesomely. I didn't say it before, but I put a new coil and a whole new set of MGK plugs in the 240 before the event, and as you can tell, well, it doesn't cut out anymore, so I think we're good. That also means that long-term plans for the 240 have changed just a little bit, but not too much. Well, actually, they kind of have, but I'll get more into that later. I had planned to record a lot more video on day 2 and actually make that the bulk of my recording and shooting photos, but we did the boss comp, and I helped judge that, and well, that was a ton of fun. I also killed the battery at the boss comp, so that's why there's no other video from day 2. So go check out that video. It's 46 minutes, it's a long one, but it was fun. So go check that out. Also, if you couldn't already tell, well, it's Halloween and I'm just now recording this. Sorting through all the photos, editing them, posting them, and then doing all the video stuff, the comp video, this one, on top of having a day job and being out of town every weekend. Well, sometimes it takes a little longer than it should. So sorry about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I had a lot of fun making it. My girlfriend had a ton of fun. And if you did, stay tuned. And, well, anyway, happy late Halloween. Have fun. Will you stop breaking my car?
Hey, I will when you fix it.
So there's a door handle? So you've got feet?
It probably doesn't work.
You know what? Only I am allowed to make fun of my car. And that's
I'm
the
sorry,
outside
how
of it.
many times in your videos have you said, oh look, my brakes stopped working, but we're gonna slide anyway?
Like I said, I'm the one that's allowed to make fun of my car. I bet we're gonna spin on the first turn.
Well, now that you said it.
Oh, and there's my turbo making smoke.